Your horse is just a mirror of you. They're just a reflection of you. And so any problem that you're having with your horse is just a reflection of a problem that you have inside. And when I started getting that and I started understanding that to heart, learning to calm myself for the horse, so I could accomplish something with the horse, which I should have had enough sense when I was young to do that for my wife or for my kids.
Sometimes you need a horse to teach you what a human can't.
Mark Twain said that youth is wasted on the young. There's times I've gone out to work a horse and I was like, man, I'm not in a good place today. And I've sat down in a chair outside the pen looking at the horse, lit up a cigar, smoked a cigar looking at the horse. Cigar's done, light up another cigar.
Still not ready.
Maybe it was a pipe, but another one, sit there, and then go home.
Just wasn't ready that day.
I wasn't. And it's like, did I accomplish anything today? No. But I didn't wreck anything today.